Okay, so I'm going to try to show you how the electronics bay goes into the glider here. So these are the wires from the servos in the back, and this just slides into here and slides forward. Then the spacer goes in here, slides backwards against the mark. We slide that all the way back. And so now it's pretty secure and snug. If this were a real flight, I'd have ejection charges attached to the outputs here. I just have Christmas tree lights for now. And then the cover goes on top of here, and then we've got the little plastic rivets for installing it, but I won't hook that up. So now that we got it in there, power it up with a magnet. Okay, so now it's powered up. Okay, so now I've got the glider turned around so you can see the back end of it, and I'll show you how we can control it here. Here's the ground station and the radio transmitter here. That's another IEEE 802.15.4 radio. And let me get this on the screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is power up the electronics. So to do that, use a magnet on the outside of the rocket, which triggers a little reed switch, which powers it up. Okay, so now it's running. And I'll run my little terminal program here that will talk to the radio. Okay, and I don't know if you can see on the screen terribly well, but it says it's up and it's in safe mode. I could manually arm it here by typing arm, and now it's arm, and you see the elevons went into straight position when it's armed. At this point, it's looking at the pressure altimeter and trying to detect launch. I'll save it. Now it's in safe mode. So now let me demonstrate the manual control of the elevons with this little manual controller. So right now it's in the normal mode. I can type commands at it to make it do things. I can say like yaw 100, and that'll go to one extreme of yaw, or yaw 0, and go to the other extreme of yaw. When we go back to the middle position, yaw 50. I can do it with commands for pitch. I can say pitch 100, and that's as far up as it'll go. It's about 45 degrees. Pitch 0 is the other extreme, is down there. Or I can go into manual control using this. When I flip the switch on, now I'm in manual control, and right now I'm controlling the pitch manually. Wherever I turn the knob, that's where it goes. There's a couple of other modes. I can go into so-called radio controlled mode, in which when the position is up, it controls pitch. When the position of the knob is down, it controls yaw. So you set the yaw where you want it, and then you switch into pitch mode, and you can control pitch, and vice versa.